We've gathered here as a community of family and friends to witness Amy and Brent express their promises of love and loyalty to each other. This is a holy time. We're in the presence of God who created us for relationships and to enjoy this incredible setting. Part of the work of His hand. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is also a tender time, where we're aware of the cords of love that are being woven into the fabric of your lives today and ours as well. This is also a joyous time, a celebrative time, where we celebrate the miracle of love in the context of family and community.